In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your files using HostGator cPanel File Manager efficiently. Whether you're freeing up space or organizing your web server files, these steps will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. First, we begin by logging into your HostGator cPanel account. This is your main control panel where you have access to all the tools you need to manage your hosting account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a dashboard filled with a variety of icons and links. What you're looking for is the File Manager located under the section labeled Files. Go ahead and click on File Manager. This tool is a powerful way to access the files and directories stored on your server, providing a user-friendly interface for file management tasks. As you open the File Manager, you'll notice it resembles a simple file explorer displaying all of the directories and files on your server. Your next task is to navigate to the folder where the files you want to delete are located. This might involve clicking through a series of directories, so take your time and ensure you're in the correct folder. If you mistakenly select the wrong folder, you could end up deleting files essential for your website's functionality. Now that you've located the right folder, you need to select the files or folders you wish to delete. This part is crucial, so double check which items you're selecting. To avoid accidental deletions, make sure you're crystal clear about which files are not in use anymore or are completely safe to remove. After selecting the files you want to delete, head to the toolbar at the top of the File Manager. You'll see an option labeled Delete. Click on this, and a confirmation dialog will pop up. This step is designed to prevent accidental data loss, so it's worth reviewing once more that you've chosen the right files. When you're completely certain, confirm the deletion. Remember, caution here helps prevent future headaches from unintended deletions. Once you've deleted the items, there's an optional but highly recommended step. It's wise to check the trash folder. Much like the recycle bin on a computer, the trash folder stores deleted items temporarily. You can review those files once more to make sure you haven't removed anything by mistake. If all looks good, you have the option to empty the trash. Doing this will permanently delete the files and effectively free up more space on your server. This can be crucial for maintaining efficiency, especially if storage limits are a concern. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your website's file management is both thorough and secure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy file organizing.